Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how we serve our guests. So guys can see this french fry with chicken sauce. Can see french fry with chicken sauce. See another one. This is how we serve our guests in the hotel or in the restaurants. It's very yummy. So just a simple menu. I just want to show you guys. Wow. So guys can see another one. This is yam chips with liver and kidney sauce for my guests again. So if you are serving your guests, serve it very well. Don't use dirty plate. Use very clean plate to use and serve your guests in the restaurants or in the hotel. You know some people they do I don't care. They'll just serve guests anyhow. It's very wrong. Serve your guests with respect. Serve it with a clean plate. So this is how we serve them. As I show you the chips and chicken sauce that time. This is the yam chips and liver and kidney sauce for my guests again. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to put your comment and subscribe and share it to a loved one. It's just a simple and short video. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. See you in my next video.